Hello guys, welcome to the web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our HTML CSS lecture number 2. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. So guys, in the last lecture, I have told you that about the introduction of the HTML and HTML5, CSS and CSS3. So HTML is hypertext markup language and this is just for using the creating web pages. This is not the programming languages and used for the building blocks. Let me show you one example. So these are the blocks that we have created with the help of table tag in the last lecture series. So we will create these blocks with the help of HTML. And where is the CSS used? CSS used for the cosmetics like this one, the color in all the website. We can change the sidebar color, we can put the border, and we do not need to go on all the pages, open all the pages and change the border on all the pages. We just have the style sheet and we can just do one statement and border will be changed on all pages. So that's why we use the CSS. And now I also told you that we do not need any server or hosting, and HTML website we need, for the HTML website we need just browser and editors. So there are many editors. One is the Notepad. You can use Notepad++. Here is a Dreamweaver. I will use the Dreamweaver. How you can download the Dreamweaver? Let me show you. This is the website adobe.com, right? I will share this link with you guys. In the at this side you will go and download Dreamweaver. So there are two options, one is free trial and one is buy now. Whatever you want to choose you can download and you can install the software on your system. Now I already have installed this software. Let's start. You can also use Notepad++, but it's up to you. Whatever you want you can use. Now when you are going to open the Dreamweaver file, it will ask you that what file you want to open, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, XML, whatever file you want you can open from here. Because we are going to do work in HTML, so I will click on the HTML. So here one thing is very important. When I'm going to open the HTML file, it will give me a file with the three tabs. One tab is code, second one is split, and third one is for the design. The code means that here in this file I will write my code, and if I want to show the output, I can see my output in this area when I will click on the split tag. Like whatever what I'm writing here, it will show me the output here. Of course we will use the browser for the output, but this is you can see a feature given by the Dreamweaver. You can see your output here. Like this is the design view in which you will see what you have write in your code. Here you can see your design here, like what you have done you can see also here in the split form. This is, you can see also the design form here. Now let me bigger the font for you guys. First of all I will click on the control plus U. How you can pick the font? Here is a font option. This is the code view option. This is the size. I will increase it to 22 just for your understanding. Here you can see. Now when I click on the HTML tab, it gives me like this. So this is already, each and everything is written by the HTML Dreamweaver file. So we do not need to write from the scratch. Here you can see this is the, let me show you, HTML tag, opening and closing HTML tag. As I have told you that these three tags are very important, right? So in the HTML opening and closing tag, all our website will be in this tag. Understand? Now this is our head tag and this is our body tag. So this is the document type HTML. It tells us that this is the HTML document tag file. So this is head opening and closing tag. In the head tag we have write two things. One is the meta character set. What is this? This is what we are going to tell the browser that we are going to work in the HTML, so that the browser will show us the proper and correct output. So that's why this is very important. Now what is the title? Title tag is title. This is opening tag and this is title closing tag. So title tag is like this is my website, and here we have right here make choice. Whatever we are going to write in the title tag, it will be shows here. Now let me show you this thing also. I will write here HTML and CSS, right? This is my body tag. In this body tag I will write everything here. First of all, let me tell you that how you can save this file. I will click on save as, because this is the first file of my website, so I will write here the name index because this is first file. So guys, this is .html is very important. You have to write here .html, right? I will save this thing. Now I will show you the file. This is my file which I have created right now, index.html. Let me show you the output. Here you can see the HTML and CSS is written here in the title. Now what we can do in the body tag, I will tell you all about these tags, what I have told you in the last lectures, and also I will tell you more than these tags also. Now we will start from the heading. Like first of all, tell me something. If I want to change the body color, I will just click in this tag and click on the space. Here you can see this is called the indentation given by the Dreamweaver. So that's why Dreamweaver is very famous in the developers, because you do not need to remember any tag or any name of the attribute, because it's give you this functionality, right? Here I want to change the BG color. I do not need to write anything here. It gives me one attribute is background. Background is for changing the background image, and BG color is for the changing the background color. I will just double click on it and it will give me a number of options of the colors, that what color I want. If I will click on this color or any color, it will write here the color. When I'm going to save my file, just to show you the work, here you can see the color is changed now, right? So that's why Dreamweaver is much efficient. It gives you each and everything ready-made already, right? Now what I will write here, I will start from the heading. So here in the Dreamweaver you just need to write the angle bracket like this, and you will write here H. It will show you all the level of the headings, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So what it means, you do not need to remember the tags properly. You just should know that the tag is going to start from H, or like you want to write the image, you will write I. It will show you the image tag like this, right? Now I will click on H1. I will close this, and for the closing H1 tag, I will write this, and I will just press on the slash, forward slash. It will automatically close the tag, right? So this is very fast working. You can write here anything, like my first lecture. I will write here. I will save my work and show you the output. Here you can see this is the H1 is showing here. Now what I can do, I will write here all the heading levels just to show you like this. So you can do the work very speedily in the Dreamweaver because it is giving you the option to handle all the attributes very speedily like this. Here what I will do, I will copy this my first lecture. Right, now I will save my work and refresh my browser. Here you can see these are all the heading levels, right? Now let me tell you that if you want to show the paragraph here, so that is also very easy. You just need to write here opening angle bracket, and with the P it will show you the P attributes, right? Now I will just click here and slash. So guys, make your habit that whenever you are going to write any opening tag, immediately write the closing tag. This is very important. Now what I have to show you the paragraph, so what I will do, I will just open this is the website for the dummy text. I will copy some paragraph from here and I will paste it here. I will save my work, show you the result. Here you can see this is the paragraph P. Now let me tell you some more tags like this. If I want to show this thing bold, so bold, for the bold tag I will write here B. B is used for the bold tag and the closing B tag, right? In this way you can show your text bold. I will save my file, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is bold now, right? Now, and if I want to show some text like italic, I want this text italic. So what I will do for this, I will simply write here I tag, and here it will automatically close the I tag when I am going to click on the slash button. You can see, right? So this is very easy to use the Dreamweaver. Here you will see this word will be italic. Here you can see this is italic. And if I want to show any word here underline, underline mean like this, I will write here U, and here I will write here closing U tag, right? I will save my work. Here you can see the underline is there. And in the same way we can use there are many more tags, like if I want to show this thing strong, let me show you how we can. I want to show this industry standard, let me this word strong. So what I will do, I will write here the strong. I will close this, and here I will close the tag, refresh my browser. Here you can see the word is strong now. Hope you are understand this thing. If you are not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Now let me tell you one thing more. This is the word I want. Here let me tell you, this is the word I want the color white, and even then if I want to change the font color in the heading, I can also change the color. Let me show you for this one first. I want to change the color. How I will do this? So there is a tag which is called font, right? I will write here font. I have to put closing font tag. Now I will save this First of all, let me show you the output. There is nothing. So in the font tag, we can write three attributes. One is we can change the color. Here you will choose any color, like I want to show the white. It will show you automatically color in the color options. I have choose the white. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the word is showing white. And if I want to change the size, I can also change the size. I will just click on space and write here S. It will show me the size option. I will click here attribute, size attribute. Here I can increase the size from 1 to 6, not more than 6, right? I will click on 6. I will save my work, refresh my browser. You can see. Now if I want to change font family, like its font appearance, so I will write here face. Here you can see the face is here. Now I will click on, if I'm what font I want, I will click this one. I will save my work, refresh my browser. Here you will see the font will change. You can see the font is changed now. So guys, these are the tags will be used in the HTML, and in the next lecture I will tell you more tags also, and also I will tell you that how you can make the structure of this website with the help of table tag just in few seconds, right? How you can make this table structure, I will tell you for this, for the website. It's very easy. You can make it just in a few minutes or few seconds, right? So this is all for today. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions, right? And once again, if you like my video, please thumbs up my videos, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone, so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites easily. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.